guys, welcome back to BeautiCo. What's up? What's going on? So today is yet another makeup look video which I've done right here, this glam look, and I have used only E.L.F cosmetics to achieve this look right here. And as you guys know, E.L.F is available in India finally. It's available on Nykaa and it's a super affordable brand, and the quality of the products are just so amazing. So I have tried out quite a lot of new products as well as some of the old products that I absolutely love from E.L.F in this particular video to achieve this glam look right here. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this look, please keep watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. Hi, let's get started. So I'm going to start by moisturizing. I have this Holy Hydration Face Cream. This has hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. This is the first time I'm actually trying this out. Honestly, I quite like this moisturizer. It is a little bit heavier than most of my moisturizers that I use on a daily basis, which is like water-based. This one is not water-based, it's more of a cream one, but still pretty lightweight, and it has actually made my skin super duper soft. So I'm gonna keep using this and I'll keep you all updated as to how I'm liking this particular product. Next I have this product. This is the E.L.F lip exfoliator in the shade Sweet Cherry. So I am thinking that this is gonna be like a lip balm. So it does have exfoliating particles in it, and it's moisturizing as well. Is it written how to use this? Apply to clean damp lips and massage in a circular motion to exfoliate. Use a moistened cotton pad with water and gently wipe away scrub. Follow with a lip balm or gloss to condition. Oh, so basically this is a lip exfoliant. So I'm just supposed to, like, you know, rub it in circles. Wow, that's amazing. So next I have this. This is an illuminating face primer. It says Radiant Glow. This is what it looks like. I am actually gonna try this out because the foundation that I'm actually gonna use is like matte and has no glow whatsoever. So any amount of added glow is good. Just applying it at the highest points of my... Oh, it has a golden tint to it. Wow. Can you see that? It is. And it's not like a very oily or a very hydrating product. It's actually gliding onto my skin very, very easily. Just applying this on my forehead as well. Before I go in with foundation, I am going to be using a primer to minimize my pores right in the T-zone where I get oily the most. This is the E.L.F Poreless Putty Primer. I absolutely love this. This is not a new product. I think you guys must have seen this in one of my videos. I love the texture. I love the feeling. It's just so good. So I like to press this right on my nose. Next for base makeup, I have this combination that is just magical. I love it to bits, both of these products. I'm talking about the E.L.F Flawless Finish Foundation. What a beautiful foundation. It just looks amazing and lasts very, very long. And I'm in the shade Linen. For concealer, I have the E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Neutral. A very full coverage concealer, and a little bit goes a long way, and these two in combination match made in heaven, you guys. And I'm gonna apply it with this. I think this is called, what is this called? I don't know what this is called. I will mention it right here. This is the E.L.F sponge, basically. Beautiful sponge, affordable too. I think I need to go a shade darker in this foundation. I never realized that this foundation is this light. But other than that, I just want to show you the finish. It has completely set. It is matte, but it is very, very thin and very lightweight on the skin. Very comfortable as well. Love the finish of this foundation, but I need to buy a shade darker. Before I go ahead and set all of this, I have another product which I haven't tried yet. This is the E.L.F Monochromatic Multi-Stick Luminous Berry. I think this is a blush. It's not written anywhere that it's a blush, but I am assuming it is. So let's give this one a go. Maybe. Oh, that's so pretty. I needed that. I needed some color on my face. I honestly look like Snow White right now. Just gonna go ahead and set my makeup with a brush actually. I'm gonna do my brows, and for brows I'm gonna use this combination. This is the E.L.F Ultra Precision Brow Pencil, and the shade is not written on this, so I don't know. And then I'm gonna set my brows using this. This is the E.L.F Wow Brow in the shade Brunette. These two are again a bomb combination. The next thing that I have with me that I'm trying to open is the Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer, and it says it's sheer. So we'll see. Usually I use my concealer itself as my eyeshadow primer. Okay, finally. Let's try it out. Okay. I was saying that eyeshadow primers are used to make your eye makeup last longer. My concealer covers it a little bit better. This doesn't really have any coverage to it, so for eyeshadow I have this. This is the E.L.F's Bite Size Eyeshadow Cream and Sugar in the shade Cream and Sugar. I have pretty much all the shades except for this one, and these are amazing eyeshadows for the price. The quality is so good. They're very, very pigmented, very blendable. One of the best eyeshadows, like affordable eyeshadows out there. I'm gonna start off with the darkest shade right here. So I'm gonna place this on the outer corners. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids with my fingers itself. That's very pigmented. Look at that. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna apply this right in the middle just so that it transitions easily. Like I said, these eyeshadows are just bomb. Just taking the lightest shade, the shimmery shade right here, and just mapping it out. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. I am gonna apply me some glitter. I absolutely love liquid glitter. You guys, I think, must be knowing it. If you're new here, I love glitter, especially when it comes in a liquid form. So I have this E.L.F. What is this called? Liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Flirty Birdy. So I haven't tried out E.L.F. glitter before, so today is the day. And I'm gonna apply it right here. I love glitter. Love it. Love. So pretty. I know. I am going a little crazy, but I am glittery. I feel like a butterfly. This is literally the best product of this entire video. I am in love. Next, I want to apply eyeliner. I have this one. This is an eyeliner, right? Yes, this is an eyeliner pen in black. Retails for just rupees 350. Ooh. I am pleasantly surprised by how good this eyeliner is. It's just for rupees 350. Can you believe that? It's so black, so precise, so quick. No wonder E.L.F. is known as a really good brand. Then finally, for my eyes, I'm going to be applying this. This is the E.L.F. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. Now what I'm going to do is going to highlight. This is the 24K Gold Highlighter by E.L.F. You haven't tried this out? Try it out. It's a beautiful highlighter. It is so smooth, this highlighter. As you can see, it just adds like a very wet glow to the skin. Okay, so I finally decided that I need some bronzer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually use the eyeshadow palette. This one is the Pumpkin Pie eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure whether I should be using this one. No. Okay. I'm going to be using the Carnival Candy eyeshadow palette and the bronzing shade, like the darker brown shade here. See? Perfect. See, these eyeshadows are so pigmented that just a little bit is more than enough to bronze. Before I move on to lips, I'm just gonna set everything in place using the E.L.F Matte Logic Mist and Set. For lips, I have this. This is the Seriously Satin E.L.F lipstick, and this is in the shade Taffy. I also do absolutely love their what are these called, liquid matte lipstick, and the shade, I think Praline, is so beautiful. One of my absolute favorite shades, but I've used that quite a lot. So today I'm actually going to go for a glossy lip. This is satin. This is matte. Definitely a matte lipstick. Absolutely love the shade, but I just feel like the shade is not the right shade for me for this makeup look. It's pretty, but it's just making me look a little bit more washed out. I'm gonna go for the red. So this is the final result. It's super glam, super gorgeous. Love the way it's looking. Please ignore the shade of my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a new one for myself because I love this foundation. So yeah, definitely check out all of these products that I just used in the description box below. I have linked them there. Also, if you all have any queries, any questions, ask me in the comments. I'm gonna help you guys out, and let me know what you want to see next. And if you all did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.